Summer is the perfect time to engage in outdoor activities with your family and promote family fitness. The warm weather and longer days offer countless opportunities for fun and exciting sports that not only keep you active but also strengthen your bond with your loved ones. In this video, we will explore some of the best sports that are perfect for family fitness and wellness. One of the most popular summer sports for families is swimming. Whether you have a pool in your backyard or visit a local swimming hole, swimming is a great way to beat the heat while getting a full-body workout. It's a low-impact activity that is suitable for all ages, making it a great option for families with young children. Investing in some basic swimming gear like floaties, goggles, and swim caps can make the experience even more enjoyable for everyone. Another fantastic summer sport for family fitness is hiking. Exploring the great outdoors and taking in the beauty of nature while getting some exercise is a wonderful way to bond with your family. Choose a trail that is suitable for all fitness levels and ages, and don't forget to pack plenty of water and snacks to keep everyone energized. Encourage your children to collect leaves, rocks, or other treasures along the way to make the hike even more engaging for them. If you're looking for a more fast-paced and competitive sport, consider playing a game of beach volleyball with your family. Setting up a net at the beach or in your backyard can provide hours of fun and laughter as you bump, set, and spike the ball. Beach volleyball is a great full-body workout that improves coordination, agility, and teamwork skills. Plus, it's a great way to soak up the sun and enjoy the summer weather. For those who prefer more leisurely summer sports, a game of mini golf or a family bike ride can be a great way to stay active while having fun. Mini golf courses are usually family-friendly and provide opportunities for friendly competition and laughter. On the other hand, cycling as a family can help improve cardiovascular fitness and strengthen leg muscles while exploring your neighborhood or local parks. In conclusion, incorporating summer sports into your fitness routine is a fantastic way to promote family health and wellness. Whether you choose swimming, hiking, beach volleyball, mini golf, or cycling, the key is to have fun and enjoy the time spent with your loved ones. Don't forget to pack sports equipment, snacks, and plenty of sunscreen for your outdoor adventures. Family fitness has never been more enjoyable than during the summer months.